great start, very smooth. Folks are getting in the building very quickly and coming in with smiles on their face. So we hope we're worn out by the end of the day though.
And these kids are so smiling and having a good time. It's going to be a great year.
First day of school is one of the most fascinating days. It's kind of like Christmas morning. Just an outstanding time, exciting time.
Oh, you want to go see if we can find your cubbies? Find your cubbies. Let's see if we can find your cubbies.
First day of school is going great. We've had a lot of parents come in, a lot of students to come in. They are excited, we are excited, and we're off to a great start.
Everything's been great. I've seen a lot of smiles in the hall, and the teachers are excited, and I'm gonna tell you, it's really fun to see.
Waiting and excited for the school year to start so we could all just get in there. My daughter was she picked out what she was going to wear 2 weeks ago.